Good afternoon. Thank you for being with us today. Over the years, I have been privileged to be part of the MetroHealth family, and since 2017, part of the leadership of MetroHealth's $100 million transformation campaign, aptly called For All of Us. The campaign supports MetroHealth's community programs, education, and research, and the development of expanded campus green space. We have been gratified by the overwhelming generosity of our donors, individuals, corporations, foundations, and other organizations from every corner of our community and beyond. The need has never been greater. MetroHealth President and CEO Dr. Akram Boutros has been an instrumental and visionary force behind the transformation campaign. Today, that campaign marks a pivotal moment and milestone. It is now my honor to turn the program over to Dr. Boutros, who will share with us the news of that moment. Thank you.
Thank you to everyone who has joined us for what is one of the most exciting and significant moments in the history of MetroHealth. I'm thrilled to finally be able to publicly acknowledge JoAnn and Bob Glick for their latest commitment to MetroHealth. It's a commitment that has already begun to change the trajectory of our future. Before I get into more details though, I want to talk about JoAnn and Bob. They are inherently curious people. They love asking questions, a lot of questions, about what we do and how we do it. That's been apparent since the first day I met them nearly 2 years ago. Last year, JoAnn and Bob wanted to learn about our SAFE program and our autism assessment clinic. They weren't satisfied with reading annual reports. They met with the people in charge of the programs. They heard directly from the staff members about the immediate needs of the students, our patients, and their families. Then they stepped up to support these programs, and within months, they had forever impacted hundreds of lives. But the Glicks didn't stop there. They wanted to learn more about our MetroHealth campus transformation. They wanted to hear about the status of the construction of our new hospital building. They were also interested in other developments surrounding the larger transformation of our community. Our plans to remove obstacles that keep too many people from having better health, better education, and a better quality of life. Our efforts to bring in new housing and new businesses to our neighborhood. Then the COVID-19 pandemic began. JoAnn and Bob reached out to us again, concerned for our employees and the impact on our health system. And when the MetroHealth Institute for Hope began delivering much needed food and other supplies to people under quarantine, they provided financial support. While the global focus of the pandemic continued, JoAnn and Bob didn't forget about MetroHealth's future plans. If anything, the pandemic caused them to double down on their desire to play a major part in our transformation. And that is why we are here today. JoAnn and Bob, you are investing in MetroHealth in a way that no one has before. We are profoundly grateful to you for your unparalleled generosity. This gift is more than a gift. It's a $42 million investment in the mission of MetroHealth. It's an investment in the lives of the residents of this region. JoAnn and Bob's generosity, combined with their passion for equity, community health, and innovation, will mean healthier children, healthier families, and a healthier Cleveland. It will uplift the crucial work of our nurses in a variety of ways. It will recognize them as leaders in improving the health and healthcare of our community. It will also create an endowed professorship established at MetroHealth in collaboration with Case Western's Francis Payne Bolton School of Nursing. To honor this extraordinary and inspirational gift, by far the largest gift in our institution's 183-year history, we will be naming the new hospital building on our main campus the MetroHealth Glick Center. It's really impossible for me to capture JoAnn and Bob's generous spirit through words alone. It's best that you hear from them directly. It is my honor to introduce you to my friends, JoAnn and Bob Glick.
Until a couple of years ago, we didn't know much about MetroHealth. We mostly thought of them as a trauma hospital that served the west side of Cleveland. We didn't know about their nationally renowned rehab program or their focus on health and wellness. Then we began to learn what MetroHealth was really about. Most importantly, their focus on keeping people healthy versus treating illness.
As a nurse, I realized even back in the 70s that America's healthcare system really focused on sick care and not health care. Now in the 2020s, as costs became uncontrollable, everyone realizes that we must look at our healthcare system in a different perspective. MetroHealth has always been different. They've been quietly working to go beyond just medical care, to improving the health and well-being of the community.
There's significant reach into every corner of the Cleveland community. The Pride Clinic, the school health program, Lincoln West School of Science and Health, the county jail, homeless shelters. Often they go where others won't. And most important, MetroHealth's caregivers, the unbelievable passion and caring for everyone and for all of their needs.
MetroHealth's mission and our passion are the same: the health of our community. When we found that out, when we saw it up close, we knew not only that we should, but that we had to do something together.
As we got to know MetroHealth better, supporting programs, meeting their teams, learning their results, even informal networking with physician friends, we knew we wanted to support MetroHealth in a significant way. Given all that's gone on in our country this past year, we knew it was time. And it's time for others in the community to join us.
Thank you, Dr. Boutros. We appreciate your kind words. We know this ceremony is to celebrate our gift and to thank us, but it is we who want to thank you and everyone at MetroHealth for all you do for the Cleveland community.
For 183 years, the MetroHealth team has gone to work every day with a singular focus. How can we best serve our patients? It is this passion and commitment that deserve our praise and our support.
People ask us, why MetroHealth? For us, it was easy. They're on a mission to change the dynamics of healthcare. We believe our investment will help them accomplish that. And when they do, everyone benefits.
It is an honor to have the new hospital carry our name. But what matters most is not the building, but what happens inside and in the neighborhood.
So thank you, MetroHealth, for inspiring us and for improving the health and well-being of our families, our neighbors, and our community.
I would like to take this opportunity to echo the sentiments of Dr. Boutros. Thank you, JoAnn and Bob Glick, for supporting the mission of MetroHealth. You have already proven to be compassionate and thoughtful partners. We're excited to begin this new chapter of MetroHealth with you by our side, and we hope that others will be compelled to follow your lead and support MetroHealth in a meaningful way. To JoAnn and Bob, we salute you.
Bob and JoAnn, thank you.